Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. So today I'm here to show you the Tusk H4 LED bulb. If your headlight is still using the stock halogen light that came on it and you wish that you had more lighting at nighttime, look no further than this bulb. It's a simple, easy, affordable upgrade. You're about 30 bucks for this. In fact, we have a rider here at Rocky Mountain, had an older DRZ 400, still had the halogen bulb there in his headlight. We did a back-to-back comparison, and it is a drastic, noticeable difference how much more light you're gonna get out of this LED bulb than a lot of these stock halogen bulbs that are out there. So again, it's a simple, quick, easy upgrade. So it's all made from billet construction, so it's built really well. You've got your standard H4 connector. Now the lighting on this, the temperature is 5,800 Kelvin. And a couple things to know with this. So again, direct plug and play, easy to install, but it is going to be just for DC lighting systems only, so just something to keep in mind. But again, simple, easy, affordable. If you have a halogen bulb in your headlight right now and you want to get more light out of it, easy, simple way to do it. To grab one, it is very simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. This bulb will fit a lot of different bikes, and the best, easiest way to know if it's going to fit your bike is simple. Just enter the year, make, and model on the product page. You can get there by clicking the link in this video or just heading to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And when you do that, if you find your motorcycle there, that will ensure you that it will fit. If you have questions though or comments, leave those down below. And as always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you want to stay up to date on videos like this and these cool products from Tusk, get subscribed, hit the notification bell, and you'll be good to go. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.